Hey there, self-help enthusiasts. Have you ever felt that vulnerability is a sign of weakness? Think again. In her groundbreaking book, Daring Greatly, Brené Brown flips the script on vulnerability. First off, vulnerability is the core of all emotions and feelings. It's about uncertainty, risk, and emotional exposure. And guess what? It's not a weakness. It's a source of courage and connection. Let's talk about shame. Shame can wreck your self-worth, but empathy is the antidote. Brené teaches us that shame focuses on self, while guilt focuses on behavior. By embracing empathy, we can conquer shame and build resilience. Want deeper connections and authentic relationships? Embrace vulnerability. Brené shows us that courage and vulnerability lead to meaningful relationships and innovation. Imagine a world where openness and support are the norms, in both personal and professional settings. We all have defenses against vulnerability, perfectionism, numbing, you name it. But dismantling these defenses is key. Brené suggests strategies like self-compassion and resilience. It's about embracing who you are, imperfections and all. Finally, living wholeheartedly means engaging in life from a place of worthiness. Practice gratitude, set boundaries, and cultivate creativity. Embrace self-acceptance and live your life, imperfections and all. So, embrace vulnerability, develop empathy, cultivate courage, live wholeheartedly, unlock the power of vulnerability with Brené Brown and transform your life. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.